Hello everyone. So today I'm actually going to be reviewing and unboxing this Fifine AM8T. I know it's a little bit of a different video, but they did reach out to me and want to collaborate with me and have me review one of their products for them today. And I decided to take it up on them. So here's the AM8T. It's actually sorry that I got this one. They said I was just gonna get the AM8, but then I asked for a USB-C adapter and a mic arm or a mic stand actually, and it just gave me like a small little mic stand and the adapter. They actually just gave me the full-on AM8T, which I didn't expect at all. They didn't tell me I was gonna receive this one, so that's actually really nice of them. So like, I am already a little biased because they like threw in such a good deal for me here. So thank you very much, Fifine. I really appreciate it. But we're gonna be unboxing and seeing how this goes. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. It kind of has like I don't want to say like a new car smell, but like it's like a new mic smell, I guess. I don't know. It kind of got blunt in the face a bit. Okay. So it does come, the AM8T does actually come with a full-on boom mic arm, as you can see here, along with the actual mic itself and a USB-C cable. The regular AM8, I'm pretty sure it does come with a mic stand, but just not the mic arm. And of course there is the actual mic itself, the AM8. Oh, wrong way. Actually, this is the wrong way. Okay, I see how it is. My bad, guys. Yeah, so here's the mic. You connect with either USB-C or XLR for you sound enthusiasts with like audio mixers. I'm not there yet. I'm gonna use the USB-C option today, but hopefully I'll get to get an audio mixer one day. I actually hope to get one soon, but I just not there yet. But that's actually the good thing about this mic, because it lets you use both. You don't have to be like huge into like audio stuff. You can be like a really casual person like me and just actually still get this one and have really good sound quality with just USB-C. So now I'll probably just have to skip forward and get this all set up. So I'll be right back. So I've now fully set up the mic, and you can hear me talking through it right now. And I've got to say, I love how much room on my desk this mic saves me. Before I had to have my mic on my desk behind my keyboard, but now with the boom arm I can now put it to the side of my desk, which is so much more like spacious for me. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a sound test now in comparison between this mic and my previous mic. So this is how my previous mic sounded. I noticed I capture a lot more background audio, which was always frustrating when editing, having to like cut all of that out. But this is the Blue Snowball Ice mic from 2014, if you were wondering. So it's a pretty old mic. I think it's around like $50 online. It might have gone down since it's so old. But here's how I sound in comparison to my new one. So this is the raw output of the mic without any audio settings applied. Personally, I think I sound a lot more clear and defined compared to my previous mic, but I do notice that I sound a bit hollow. But I'm able to move this mic away from my like noisy laptop fans going at full blast while I play games, which is a huge like deal breaker for me with my previous mic, which was very frustrating a lot of the times that I was playing games. So I still do vastly prefer this mic. So as the audio test, I decided to go over my SteelSeries sonar settings, which is what I decided to set up when I'm using this mic, as I found it really does help me just cancel out a bunch of background noise as I'm recording, which is very helpful. So I do use the Alias Pro Boom Arm preset with the noise canceling set to 40. And I don't have any other settings on, it's just these two, the preset and the noise cancellation, if you guys were wondering. So the Fifine AM8 does retail for around 58 USD, which I personally believe is a very good price for a budget gaming microphone. Now, if you're wondering what the AM8T coming with the boom arm retails for, it's around $69 to $70, which is a lot more pricey, but the boom arm does save you a lot of space and can get you better quality, so I do believe it is also worth it. The link to go check out the AM8 yourself will be down below in the description of this video, and I would like to once again thank Fifine for sending me this mic to review and giving me the opportunity to work with them. Now, onto the video.